Hello students, I hope you reached UK safely and about to start your classes at the university. When you report to the university, they might ask you to avail your eVisa to them. It's a new system which is introduced by UKVI to prove your immigration status in the UK. Now, for that, you need to link your BRP or your existing visa with eVisa. So, if you have this query of how to get access of eVisa, then this video is especially for you. Hi, my name is Shamanawat and I welcome all of you to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to get access of your eVisa. So, let's get started. You need to come on this web page that's on gov.uk. That's the government UK government website. The link of this web page I will provide in the description box. Now, what are the things you need to have, you need to ready with when you are applying or you want to have access of your eVisa. So, how to access your eVisa? Now, for that, create a UKVI account. I will help you out how in creating the UKVI account. Confirm your identity using UK Immigration ID Check app. Now, this is a mobile app which you can access on your iPhone or Android phone. The old Android phones are giving problem. So if you are having the updated Android phone, then you can do your identity verification through this app from your phone itself. If you don't have this access of updated phone, don't worry. It's not like a mobile application where your all data will be stored. No, you can use your friends or anybody's mobile phone and you can download this app, and if they have this app already, then you can verify your identity by their phone also. So it's only for one time. It's not that you need access of this app all the time. Now, before you start, okay, so you need to create, so I will help you to create UKVI account. Next is having this phone, this app on phone. I will tell you which is this app, although you can, if you're using iPhone, then go on App Store and search UK Immigration ID Check. You will get a purple color icon app. Download that app. If it is Android, same thing, go on the Play Store and check this. Okay. Before you start, you need to have access of a smartphone. Yeah, that's where you will have this app. So again, I'm saying if you don't have access of the updated phone, don't worry. You don't need to worry. You can ask your roommate or your friend to provide that phone for 5 minutes to you. It's a very short process, and you will need that app only once. Once you verify your identity, you don't need that phone. As I said earlier, if you do not have updated phone, don't worry. You can have, you can ask, you can request your roommate or any friend having that smartphone, updated phone, and download this app. And as I said, that app, you will not have all your information stored in that phone. It is only for one time use, where you need to take photograph of your passport and a photo of yourself and verify your identity. That's it. So I will show you how to do it. But as of now, understand this point. So I hope this is clear. Now, before you start, you need access of smartphone. I explained this. Mobile number. So mobile phone number. Yes, because to create UKVI account, you need to verify your phone number with OTP. So you need to have access of that. If you recently entered in UK and having a new UK number, you may face that OTP problem. So in that case, you can provide your parents' phone number also here. Yeah, and then you can ask OTP. And this phone number you can change after creating the application also. So that's completely fine. Again, this phone number you need only for once. Email ID. You must be having email ID, right? So email ID is needed, and to verify the email ID again, they will send an OTP. I'll show this step. And then you need a BRP card. If you have BRP card, best. If you don't, then provide, you need to have your passport with you and BRP number. Again, if you don't have BRP card, it's okay. If you have, you're finding difficulty in collecting BRP as of now, that's okay. You can still go with your visa application number. So what is visa application number? Visa application number is, it starts with GWF. So when you fill the visa application, that time you can see in your visa application, or you have the PDF with you, or even if you have visa decision letter, You have received that visa decision letter in your email. So check in the email. You will find a GWF number. That is the visa application number. That's a unique number, and it must be available with you. It's not that this is not available. So passport, you must be having. Without passport you cannot travel. So your own passport, not the British passport, your own passport, and the GWF number. These two things you should have. So one smartphone, phone number where you can receive OTP, email ID where you can verify email ID by using a OTP, and your current passport and application number. This is enough. So I hope you understood this information. Now let's start. So click on this green button, start now, and then you reach to the next web page where it asks, have you ever had a BRP residential permit? If you have it, then click on yes. If you don't have, don't worry, you can click on no, or I'm waiting for my first BRP. That's the best option because you're about to receive your BRP. You may not have it now, but you can click on this. I'm waiting for my first BRP. Continue. Do you have a visa or immigration application number, that GWF which we have spoken about? So mark yes. Yes, you have it. I know you have it. Without that, you cannot reach UK. Next is, do you have a valid passport? Yes. Now you are on this page where there is an option create an account, and if you already have an account, then you can click on sign in. Well, so let me show you how to create an account, because if you have an account, then you don't need information from this video. You can directly log in there. Click on create an account. Who are you creating this account for? Of course, it's for yourself. So click on me. Now enter your first name and last name as per the passport. Click on continue. Select your nationality. Click on continue. Now identity document you are using. I advise to use passport. Safer. Enter passport number, country of issuing, your passport holding country name. Does your passport have an expiry date? Of course, you must be having expiry date on your passport. Click on yes. Enter the passport expiry date. Click on continue. What's your date of birth? Enter your date of birth. Click on continue. Enter your email ID. Continue. Yes. Time to enter OTP received on email ID. Enter your phone number. After entering the mobile number, now wait for the OTP. After entering your OTP, continue. Do you want someone else? That's on you. I leave this choice on you. I'm clicking on no as of now. Verify the details which you have entered. Document type, country of issuing, document number, expiry date, name, your name, nationality, date of birth. Double check this because so these information you may not be able to change. Although you can change your email ID and phone number later. So totally fine. After you verify your information, click on create account. Now here it says what you need to do next is again that UKVI, UK immigration ID check application, and then you will be able to link your BRP with eVisa, or you will be able to have access of your eVisa. Well, here we have option to sign in and check. So let me sign in for you and then show you how the application, the UKVI account looks like. So what you need to have is your identity document number, your passport number, because we have used passport here. Date of birth, you remember your date of birth, right? And then access of your phone or email. Either one of them is fine. Click on sign in. Click on passport. Continue. Enter your passport number. Click on continue. Enter date of birth. Continue. Whichever device is available to you, or you have access of SMS, then choose first one. If you have access of email, then choose this. So I'll go for email here and click on continue. Now whenever you try to sign in, you will require your passport number, date of birth, and to enter OTP you required either your phone or email. Now after you select, then you need to enter the OTP, and here you are in your application. You can see here you have sign out, and because we started from that page, get access of eVisa, so that's why you will automatically get this tab, this card, where it will ask you to link your eVisa with your account. You have not started yet. Yes, we have not started yet. So click on start. When you click on start, then now here is the step where you require that mobile application, UK immigration identity check, ID check. So you can see here, confirm your identity. Now you need to complete these steps. So confirm your identity, confirm your BRP or application number, the GWF number. I suggest to go with the GWF number. Your current location, currently where are you? And contact preference, how do you want to be contacted? Phone number or email ID, or then you will find that step here. I will not be able to complete all the steps in this video because it varies case to case. So I suggest you to do it by yourself. And it's easy, it's not difficult. This is confirm your identity. This step you need to understand. So I will tell you this step in detail. Rest is easy. Here, okay. Now you can see this. Without confirming your identity, you cannot start any other step. So second step is to mention your GWF number. It's easy. Once you save that, submit that, then it will ask for your current location. So you must have booked any accommodation, or if you are staying with relatives, so mention their address. Contact preference, you need to mention the contact preference. So maybe again emergency contact, or they will ask for your current mobile number through which they can reach out to you. Account security questions, there will be some questions like your first school name, so random questions which you can, for which you can have any answer based on your preference. Keep record of these security questions, very important. Okay, it's nothing to do with your application or anything, but if you lose this access of eVisa or this UKVI ID, then this security question will help you to recover that UKVI account. So please have record of this, save it somewhere. Submit request, you just need to click on the declaration that I have gone through all the information, and then click on submit button, and then it will ask you to hold on for a while, maybe say for a day or two, and then you will receive the eVisa confirmation on your email. eVisa confirmation on your email. Once you receive your eVisa confirmation on email, then you can verify your immigration status, and you can generate a share code. I will tell you about the share code and how to check your immigration status in a while. First, let's understand this confirming your identity. Now, when you click on this, you reach to this confirm your identity. How do you confirm your identity? You need to confirm your identity using UK Immigration ID Check app. Again, this phone app, the app which we have spoken about. Remember? Yeah. Let me show it to you here. App Store. Okay, let me show it to you on Android for the time being. This is the application I'm talking about. Okay, so if you're using iPhone, then you can find it on the App Store, and then here it's on Play Store. Okay, and you can use anybody else's phone also if it is not working on your phone, because it does not work on, it does not support some phones. So that's okay. Don't worry, it's not a big deal. Continue. Does your identity document have biometrics? So now if you are having any your say European passport, then you might find this icon there. So the biometric chip is installed in your passport, but in my case, like I have all my students going from India, so there we don't have this icon there. So biometric chip is not installed in Indian passport, so that's totally fine. You can click on no here, click on continue. Then check your smartphone. Yes, it should be iPhone 7 and above, and then Android phone which can make contactless payment. It's not don't get into such kind of complexity. It's totally fine. Just have access of that app. That's enough. Now click on. Do you have access of one of these phones? Click on yes. continue. Then you can see here, download the app from App Store or from Google. So what happens once you install that app? When you open that app, then it will ask you to either enter the connection code or scan this QR. I advise to scan this QR from your phone, then it will connect your application with your phone app, and then you can confirm your identity. And instructions are very simple. You need to keep your passport on the table, and you should have proper light on that, and scan that or take a photo of the passport. Then it will ask you to take photo of yourself. So make sure that you are not at the place where your photo is not clear. It should be clear. Okay, so make sure that you are opposite to the light source, so your photo should be clear. And then confirm, and then it will ask whether you want to continue your application on phone or you want to come back to the browser. So from there you can discontinue, click on discontinue on app, and then come back to browser, sign in again. Once you sign in again, you will find that identity check step, which we have seen in that many steps, which we have seen that's one of the first step out of many. So that will be cleared, and then you can continue with the other steps. Once you complete that form, then you will receive an email on your email ID that your application is submitted. Then you have to wait for 2 to 3 working days to get your eVisa on your email itself. Okay. Now, do you remember I was talking about a share code? Share code through which you can prove your right to work or to an employer or at your institute that you have study permit. Now, for that, it's a simple step. You go to this page. I'll provide the link of this page also in the description. Now, when you click on start now, it will ask you whether you have immigration account. So if you have it, then click on yes, I have it. Or if you have biometric, then click on that. I suggest to click on the first one after you get your eVisa. After you get your eVisa, before that, you won't be able to generate the share code. So when you click on this, click on continue. Then the identity which you want to use, so it is again taking you towards the eVisa only. Once you click on that, and then it will take you to the login of eVisa. So once you enter in the UKVI account, there you will find a link or a button to create share code. Once you click on the share code button, then you will get a share code through which your institute or your employer can verify your immigration status. Now that share code has a validity. So after that couple of days, it is only for couple of days. Then you can generate the share code later also again, but it's not required all the time. Yeah, so it's just for once to prove your immigration status to or your study rights or work right at the institute. So I hope you understood how to create UKVI account, how to link your BRP with or your current visa application or visa decision with your eVisa, and get access of your eVisa. If you have got any other query, then please write in the comment box. I will try to resolve that with best of my capacity. So good luck to all of you. Once again, my name is Shamanawat signing off. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep learning. Bye bye.